Thank you so much for visiting my channel, guys. I'm so happy, and I have some information about all those people who make video and who upload Kalipingo conversation on the YouTube channel. So what you actually you will get 100 rupees, and what you have to do, just if you upload your video on YouTube channel, so just that link, share on customer support, then you will get 100 rupees each and every video. So just that information I have, I just want to give you. So enjoy this conversation, and don't forget like and share. Bye bye, take care yourself, guys. Enjoy learning, and definitely one day we will speak English well, guys. Bye bye, take care yourself.
I want to correct the pronunciation of a few things. Risky.
Risky. Okay.
Yeah. These.
These.
Yeah. So you have to. Hello.
Yeah. Hello, ma'am. Hi.
Hi. And how was your day? How are you doing? Good evening.
Yes. Good evening too, ma'am. My day was good, and I have been very well. Yeah. What about you, ma'am? How have you been?
Amazing. Amazing. Thank you. And how is your practice going? Are you having fun learning the language?
Yes. Not too much, but yeah, something, sometime.
Okay, not too much. Are you getting bored?
Not these days. Actually, I have not been practicing, so that's why a little bit. Yeah, you can say.
Okay, okay, because
Because
you haven't been practicing. Okay.
yeah, yes, these days. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, these days.
Yes, these days.
Okay, little more use stress these days.
These days. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so what is something that you're terrible at doing, but you do it anyway?
Okay. Could you again can you come again your question, ma'am, please?
Yeah, could you repeat your question?
Yeah, could you repeat
Or
your
could you
question?
come again?
Yeah, could you come again? Yeah.
Okay, what are you terrible at, but you love to do anyway? For example, I'm terrible at singing, but I still like singing because it's fun.
Okay. So you can say yeah, my speaking is a trouble, but still I speak really, ma'am. Yeah.
Brilliant
Yeah,
answer.
yeah, really, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
It is true.
Okay, okay. It's not terrible. It just needs a little more work. But good answer. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. What do you think about workaholics?
Please, could you come again, ma'am, please?
Yeah. What do you think about workaholics? Workaholics are
Mhm.
people who work, who love working. They're so addicted to working. Whole day they will work. No time,
Yes.
nothing, 15 hours, 18 hours, 20 hours. They only like working. No
Mhm.
social life, no meeting their friends, no going out. What do you think about them? Is it good? Is it bad to work so much?
Okay. Is it not good? Yeah, really, because we have to take time to other people also. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
I- uh, all the time, if we indulge, if
Mm-hmm.
someone is indulged on their work,
Mm-hmm.
so I think it is not good. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
sometimes we have to take. Uh, we should take a time. Yeah.
We should give time to other people,
Yeah, we should get time to other people. Yes.
build our social life.
Yes, build a social life, and yeah, in relationship and family.
Mhm.
Yeah, we should
Mm.
get. Yes,
We
ma'am.
should try to create a balance between our
Between.
personal and professional life.
Yes,
Okay.
absolutely, ma'am.
Strike
Yes.
a balance. You can use this phrase because it's very used very often. Okay. Striking a
Okay.
balance between two things.
Stacking a balance. Yes. And
Okay.
one more thing, ma'am. And we should get time for ourselves.
Absolutely.
Yes, ma'am. Not all the time busy on their work.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So, what do you like to do for yourself?
I think these days, uh, uh, these days I'm learning English language. So these days when I get time, so I give my time on English language. Yes, ma'am.
Mhm. I give my
Or
time to
sometimes,
learning English.
yes, yes, yes. And if you are talking about me, like For myself, so yeah, sometimes I listen some music. Yeah, yeah.
I like listening to some music.
Yes, I like some. I like listen music. Yeah,
Listening to some music.
listening to some music. Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, it is very refreshing, right? Music.
Mm-hmm. Yes,
Mhm.
ma'am.
Okay. Do you like spending money
Means where?
on expensive things? Suppose you had like a lot of money. Okay, you were really, really rich. What would you
Okay.
like to buy? Some expensive thing that you would like to buy?
Means like which context? Like a mobile or
Yeah, you
something
can like your car,
land, car. Okay.
houses,
Houses.
cars, clothes,
Mhm.
anything.
So definitely, I would like to purchase a mobile phone or car and
Mm-hmm.
like a flight. Mhm.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
To basic flight, I would like to buy. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, very good. And what do you think are the fastest way of earning money? How to earn money like that? Is there any way?
Yeah, if you talk about this years, means this generation, yes, it's possible, ma'am.
It is? Okay,
But
tell me.
it is possible, but it it can be risky.
It
Yes,
can be risky.
it can be risky. Yes, and through to social media, we can earn quick money.
Mm-hmm.
And there's a lots of scheme. If you talk about Bitcoin and
Mm-hmm.
share market or like YouTube, we can earn quick money from there. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
ma'am.
We can earn money quickly from there.
Yes, ma'am. We can earn money quick there.
Quickly.
We can earn money quickly from there.
Very good. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you ever tried any of these, like, Bitcoin, share market, try to earn money fast, social media?
Uh, yes, if my brother, recently he gave advice to me about Bitcoin, but I don't have any knowledge about Bitcoin.
Mm-hmm.
So in future, I will search about Bitcoin, then I will invest money from there.
Okay, okay. So you are thinking of these ways of investment, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay. Do you think it's a good idea?
I'm thinking about.
I'm thinking about it. Okay.
Uh, So yeah, it is. You are talking about it is a good idea or it is a bad idea, right, ma'am?
Yeah, like suppose I don't do any other job, okay? And my entire career is just investing and making quick money, being on social media. Do you think it's a safe option for me?
No, ma'am. I think it is not safe. But
Okay.
if you are doing again and again, if you are doing something this thing again and again, so yeah, you have some experience, and then one day you will do better because all the time you are thinking about that, right? Bitcoin and share market and other thing. So definitely, someone who wanted to, so definitely he will. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. And can you make a lot of money without working hard? Is it possible?
As I said to you, ma'am, now these days it is possible,
Mm-hmm.
uh, but it's it's somehow it risky also.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yeah. So what is your question, ma'am? Could you come again?
Okay. I was asking that without working hard, can we earn money? No hard work, just like that.
Yes, ma'am. It is there is social media. I think you can see there's in there many people they make video on YouTube and they earn lots of money. If you talk about Karim Minati, these days he are famous. He is famous
Mm-hmm.
and yeah. So uh, because of him, so I can say yeah. It is possible.
It is
Yeah, ma'am.
possible. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Do you believe in any schemes that you come across on social media? Everywhere they will tell quick ways to earn money. They will give you a video. Do you believe in those?
Uh, I I don't believe, I think, because little bit I believe, but I have fear also, because they are fake.
Too.
Some, they are fake too. Yes, ma'am. So uh, I'm not make understand to myself to invest money from there.
Mhm.
So so I'm not able to invest money. Yes.
Okay, I am not convinced enough.
I'm not convinced enough to
Correct.
myself.
Okay, no, I'm not convinced enough. Okay.
Okay, I'm
Or
not
if
convinced
you,
enough.
yeah, or you can say I can't convince myself completely to
Yeah.
actually choose these methods, right?
Yes. Yes. Absolutely. Because they in their some application, some form, I think, or something. We have to put our big bank on and our personal detail. So it could be risky, ma'am. What do you
Yeah.
think about?
Yeah, completely. I am so scared of investing in all these things.
Yes.
I will just do like my proper job, and that's it. I also don't have the knowledge, honestly.
Yes, yes, that is also limited. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Do you think financial advice should be available to everybody?
Financial advice.
Yeah. For
Okay.
example, in school, we are not taught, right, that you have to invest here, you have to invest there. Do you think we should be taught all these important things?
I think yes, ma'am.
Why?
Yes, because your question is that if we invest from there, so like I didn't get your question
Okay.
exactly.
My question is, in school, we are not taught that you have
Okay.
to invest in mutual funds, or these are like shares are a good investment or they're not a good investment. We don't have any knowledge, right? You and I
Yes,
both don't know too much. Do
yes.
you think we should be taught all this when we are younger?
No, ma'am. I think no. Sorry. I think if we don't have enough knowledge, so how can I to another person?
Mhm.
I think
No,
it is.
should the teachers teach us? Should an
Uh,
experienced person teach us?
yes, yes,
Hmm.
yes, ma'am.
That is my question.
If someone is teach, so definitely we will do. Yeah.
Mhm. Mhm.
So we will get more knowledge, and then we will take risks. Yeah,
We'll take.
if anything is a secure, so yeah, then we will.
Mhm. Okay.
Yes.
So when I say that should we be taught, that means should somebody else teach us? Okay.
Okay,
If I
okay.
tell should we teach, that means should we teach that way?
So
Okay.
it is. Okay.
Okay. Okay. What is the fastest way of making money that is safe? You told me about things that are risky, right?
Mhm.
Safe,
Yes, yes.
safe, any safe option, do you know?
Ye- Uh, from my perspective, I think, ma'am, if you have a more than 20 lakh or more than 30 lakh rupees, so for according to me, I think if we invest buy land or
Mhm.
2 BHK flat or
Real
1 BHK
estate?
flat, yeah, real estate. So and so yeah, it is secure according to me. And one more thing, I think we can get a gold, because it's very high price these days,
It's a safe
because
investment. Yes.
it is safe investments. Yes, because 3 years ago I have had it, I think 25,000 or 30,000 it gold rate, but these days after 4 years, I think 50,000 it amount. So it is secure or safe, and we will earn quickly also there.
Okay, perfect.
But
I will go buy gold.
okay, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yes, very good. I think you gave me good options with the last one, especially
Mhm.
real estate, gold, safe option. So it's good.
Yeah, it's
It's
safe.
good. It's good. It is good. I think you do speak. You have started speaking more and more now. Some grammatical mistakes are there. Okay. Like when you say, as I said to you, as I told you before.
As
Okay.
I told
Much
you.
better. So try to
Mhm.
learn the difference between when to use say and when to use tell.
Okay.
Many people confuse say and tell.
Mhm.
Okay, when we tell, I say to her, it doesn't sound good when I tell her. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
okay,
Okay, ma'am.
yeah, that. And I want to correct the pronunciation of a few things. Risky,
Risky. Okay.
yeah. These,
These.
yeah. So you have to stress more. Why you need to stress? Because if you tell this, it means THIS.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
and it does not make sense in the context that you are speaking. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
okay. Flat,
Flight.
no flight. Flight is aeroplane. Flat,
Okay. Aeroplane. Okay, ma'am. So we call. Can you come again, ma'am?
2 BHK, flat,
Flight. 2 BHK flight.
no flight, flat.
Not flight. Okay. Flight.
Again, flat.
Flight.
So
Is
I'll
it?
tell you what you are saying. Okay, you are saying fly, flight.
Oh,
It's incorrect.
okay.
Flat.
Flight. Is
Okay,
it?
so you have to practice this.
Okay.
It
I
is
will.
still
I will.
incorrect. Okay, do
After
you?
session, I will.
Okay. So when when you find a difficulty, too much difficulty in any pronunciation, try to write it in your mother tongue. Okay.
Okay.
When you write it in your mother tongue, it becomes easier to pronounce because we are familiar with that, right? Don't do it for everything, but for
Okay.
this, especially people who speak Hindi at home, it is the best to learn English words through the Hindi written form if you are facing an issue.
Issue.
Too
Okay,
much
ma'am.
of an issue, write it in Hindi or any other mother tongue. Okay.
Absolutely. To do, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I want you to practice a bit of pronunciation. Okay.
Mhm.
And elaborate more on the things that you're saying. Sometimes, like when you're not able to comprehend what I'm saying or the questions I'm asking, you need more practice with listening. Okay. What does it mean? What does the context mean? What is she trying to say? What is she trying to ask? So we need to listen to more videos. Okay.
Mhm. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then you will understand me better when you hear more.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
absolutely. Listening is a very important. Yes, ma'am. So
Absolutely.
I have a little bit question about. So do you invest money, ma'am, on it means like a real estate or means any in other way?
No.
According to you, ma'am?
Oh, I don't invest in real estate because I don't have that much money to invest in
Okay.
real estate. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
but I would love to if because I love houses. So if I have too much money someday, God bless me, I will buy some houses.
Okay. I hope you will lots of money as soon as possible. You have.
Thank you, thank you, thank you very much.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. I will practice to listen and pronunciation. Okay.
Yeah, I will practice listening and pronouncing. Okay, and work on my pronunciation.
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Any other doubts that you have for me? Anything you want to ask?
No, ma'am. No, there's no question.
No question at all? Okay.
Okay.
So have fun learning and practice more. Okay.
Yes,
Practice
ma'am.
more. That's when you all keep listening more, practice more, then you'll get better a little by little because grammar requires some work. Okay. Sentence formation. It will only come with practice.